Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about US indices, precious metals, Bitcoin and Euro. First we have Dow Jones. Currently Dow Jones is trading at 33,880. It made a recent high of 33,903 and today's low is 33,641. Currently it is trading almost in positive zone. In fact, it has recovered smartly. We have recovered nearly 250 points from lowest point of the day. So what is the resistance and what is the support today? Let's find out. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it right away by pressing red subscribe button. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's move on. Dow Jones resistance at 33,950. Dow Jones support at 33,570. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to see Dow Jones and Bitcoin and Ethereum levels in Asian session, you can press the join button. I updates in community post. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 13,290. It is trading at the highest point of the day. If you have watched my morning levels, which I update in community post for my paid YouTube members, I have already suggested in my morning post that Nasdaq and S&P are in positive zone, and you can see both are in positive zone and both are trading nearly at the highest point of the day. Let's have a look at Nasdaq support and resistance now. Nasdaq support now stands at 13,130. Nasdaq resistance at 13,460. Currently Nasdaq is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq break 13,130 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,000 and 12,920. Let's move on to S&P 500. After that we will see gold and silver. This is S&P 500 chart. As usual, it is trading at the highest point of the day. In morning itself, in Asian session itself, I have already suggested that S&P is in positive. So now we are trading at 4121.55. Today's high at 4122. So we are at the peak of the day. Let's have a look at resistance and support. After that we will see gold, silver, euro and Bitcoin. Support at 4091. S&P 500 resistance at 4142. Currently S&P is in positive zone, as I have already suggested you, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to gold prices, which are trading near 1870. This is gold chart. It made high of 1890 yesterday and after that it has crashed beautifully. Still it is trading in positive zone. US has just released its unemployment claims, which came a little negative for gold because it has a 444K, 444,000 versus 478,000 previously. That is the US unemployment claims for you. Let's have a look at resistance and support in gold for now. Gold support stands at 1860. I have already suggested this support in my other channel. Gold resistance at 1892. Levels are same since morning. You can also watch gold, silver and crude oil levels on my Hindi channel in Asian session. Hindi channel link in description. Even if you don't speak Hindi, you will able to get the levels because I write levels in notepad just like I write here. Let's move on to watch silver. After that we will go for Bitcoin. This is silver spot chart. Currently it is trading 2773. It also made high yesterday and lows yesterday. In fact, today's low is showing 2740 and today's high at 2790. So let's have a look at resistance and support now, then we will assess the trend of the market. Silver support stands at 2740. That is the low of today and that is also a very major support in silver prices. Silver resistance would be now $28.05. Currently silver is also in positive zone due to these candles which came yesterday after Bitcoin crashed badly. So gold, silver are in positive zone, so I would recommend you to avoid going for sell. Let's move on to go for Bitcoin. Here we have Bitcoin. Currently it is trading 41,820. Interestingly, it has entered in positive zone. If you have watched my morning levels, I have suggested that 41,600 would be resistance zone. It has broke the resistance of morning which I updated, and currently it is trading in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance support now, and of course you know the trend. Bitcoin support at $38,500 now. Bitcoin resistance at 42,700 now. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. And if you have enjoyed this video and if you find this video useful, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. If you have any comment, if you have stuck in some position, you can leave a comment in comment section. I would try to reply you. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.